I think you're right with the fish bones being with the white background and the lighter color. I think it's going to be hard to select. So you might want to think about finding one with a black image with a black background, because what they've done is they made it the lighter. Since the fish bones is light, they wanted to have a darker background, so it makes it easier to select. So there's a few of those throughout. So like this one here, what you could do, if it's that, that one, what I would do is then I would select. I start off with selecting the black area, okay, and it doesn't go in and select everything we want. That's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select inverse to get the fish selected, and then I go up and use the select and mask command, which you'll learn next milestone. And what this does is I've typically I have it on black, but you just won't see it, especially with a black background. So I change it to overlay. So here, what you do is anywhere there's black in between the bones, okay, you paint over, and you want it to go red because that means transparency. In Photoshop, what it's going to do is it's going to know that black does not belong. Now, I'm not saying this would be as precise, because sometimes you have to clean it up afterwards, but you'll learn some techniques next milestone. I'm not going to do this bottom portion, but again, I can do over here. Now, the problem, of course, you might have is, especially, you want to try to get rid of the word Adobe stock as much as possible, so we don't see it. That's why sometimes you want to utilize something else. So maybe Adobe stock is up here at the top. But when I click OK, you see it gets selected here. So what I want to do is I'm just going to do a Control C, and I'm going to paste it over to another image. And you can see the transparency between the bones. And then down here at the bottom, we don't have it because I didn't go over it. So black